xehostmasters.com. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your Gmail account to your to your hosting package. Okay, we're going to go to the screen and I'm going to share my screen with you. Once the easiest way to create an email, honestly, is I'm logged into Salt's account, which is okay. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. When you log into your client area, if you go, of course, if you press services, my services, you're going to see the different services that you have. Okay, so this one has a for this one, this has the network and also the website. So if you forgot your cPanel credentials or anything like that, just log into your service area. Okay, once you log into your service area, you can click on either service. So here you go, clicking on the salt thing. Okay, so we have some shortcuts here, but if you want to just directly log into your cPanel, you can do so by doing this. Cpanel. You click Cpanel, it automatically opens it up for you. Okay, so if you need to create a quick email, basically you can click this and do it manually, where it basically opens the cPanel, has the create button, and you create an email, or you can do it just real quick. And so I'm just gonna call myself Crystal at salt.org. I'm gonna create my password. Okay, and I'm just gonna say create. All right, and it tells me it's being created successfully. And to know that my email has been created successfully, look at there. There is Crystal at salt.org. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on connected devices. So you have to be logged in to do this one. So I'm gonna say connected devices here. Once I do that, it's gonna give me the information that I need here to create my account. Okay, so I'm gonna open my Gmail. I got a lot of windows open. All right. So I'm going to go to my email on my Gmail, and there you're gonna see right here where it says settings. I'm gonna click on that. I mean, it don't say settings. It's like a gear box. Visitor. Sorry about that. It's a box, that's your setting box, and then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're gonna go to right here where it says accounts and imports. Where it says accounts and import, as you see, I have some here. You're going to go to, I'm going to say add another email account. All right, so the name would be Crystal. Actually, what's my name going to be? Salt Admin. Okay. Where it says the email address, put the email address. Okay, and click treat as an alias. You're gonna say next. Once you say next, now it's gonna ask you for the SMPT server. That's the server that sends the mail out. So we just go over here. I'll show you exactly where that's at. That's gonna be this server right here. So it's basically it's mail.yourdomainname.com. Okay, so we click that right there. We're gonna put this. The port number is going to be 995. That's actually on the secure. I mean, no, it's 465. Sorry, it's the outgoing server. That's what it's asking me. But it's still the same thing. Your username is whatever your email address is. Mine is Crystal at salt.org. Okay. My password is whatever I set my password to be. So if you don't set your password right, all right, and I want a secure connection using SSL. Then I'm gonna say add account. All right, so now I actually need to log into my email to get that code that it just sent me. Okay, so now I just go I'll go back. I can just press this. That's the XE sign. We need to put that in white so you can actually see it say XE Technologies, right? So basically, I go back to my email, and you can just type email in. I'm just going to it. I go to my email. I say check email. We no longer use square mail. You can use Horde or round cube. I typically use round cube because it looks neater. And we're gonna get in just a second. We're gonna get an email from Google that's going to have that. There you go. So there go the email. You just double click on that. It opens up, and it gives this right here. Okay, the code. So we go back into that Google box that was open there. It's going to give the confirmation code, and then we're going to say verify. Okay. Right now, it's only set up to, normally when you first do it, because I've done it so many times, it gives you the option, of course, to send mail, but you need to be able also to receive mail. So if you don't get the option that say, do you want to receive mail? And it goes back to basically this. Go same area, just go down where it says check mail from other accounts. You're going to add the account. You're going to add a mail account. So you're going to add it, and you're going to put your email address, which is, mine is crystal@salt.org. I'm going to say next. Okay. And it says import. You want to import. Say next. All right. Now it's going to say your email address. You put the same thing, except for now, the POP3 server is going to be on port 995. And you put your email address, which is mine is crystal@salt.org. Okay. And then I put my password. Okay, if I don't really check my mail through there, then I don't want to leave a copy of the server because then it's going to fill up my mailbox. So if you want to leave a copy on the server, that's fine. But if you don't, where it'll just straight go to your Gmail or whatever, they can handle that. But some people do this, they'll have a copy on their server, a copy on their thing. But if you ain't going to remember to go and delete it, and then your message get full, you ain't going to be able to receive messages, okay? So that's your option. Right here, you're going to say always use a secure connection. Then right here, you're going to say label incoming messages as crystal@salt.org. I mean, whatever. So it'll give you a label over there so you can actually see it. You're just going to say add account. Okay. All right. And just to test the feature out, I'm going to send an email to myself. If you go over here, now you see there's that Salt admin right there. That's me. And I'm going to send an email to myself. Okay. And I'm just going to say testing Salt. And just remember when you, okay. So I sent it as myself, so I'm going to go and check it on my end. And there you go. It comes as Salt admin testing Salt. So it comes there. All right. And obviously where the message from the Gmail, what it had sent me earlier, there's over here, there's a, some of these I need to delete. Over here now, I see my Salt messages come in, and I see that this came in. So it basically it came off. It took it from the other server and put it on there. All right, so now your integration is complete. Okay, and of course people can respond to you, and you'll still get your message there. It just take 3 minutes, and I didn't want to make you wait 3 minutes or 2 minutes or whatever, however it takes for you to come back, because it hits your server, then it goes to the Google server. That's how it works. All right, so that's how you set it up to your email. Thank you for watching this wonderful tutorial. You can always check out any of our questions over there in our knowledge base section. Okay. If you have questions regarding your email, first check out knowledge base, click Cpanel, and there are plenty of tutorials and things of that nature. You can always raise a ticket in your client area. And you say, where do I raise a ticket at? Let me go ahead and go to the screen there, and I'll show you real quick. In the client area, here. I'm logged in as all right, so in the client area, you can either put like support or something, or open ticket. That's where it is in the client area. It's under open ticket. Then you put what type of support. Okay, so right now there's general inquiries. This is where to go. This is actually gonna say something else because we have different departments. But right now, the ones that are open are general inquiries. That's whatever support, any of your support issues. If it's related to podcasts, then it needs to go to the podcasting department. There's going to be a radio department and all these other things like that that we're putting together. So you'll see the different departments come up soon. But right now, it's either just a general inquiry, support, or podcast right now. There will be TV and radio added as we go along. Okay, so if you need some support for something, it already has your stuff. You put whatever your subject is, and also put what it's related to. So whatever service you have activated with us, if it's Salt, the unlimited thing. What this is her network. So if it's Salt, right there, she can let me know is a radio network related problem. If it's something with the website, we know our support team will know that it's something related, and you can put the priorities high, low. These are answered within an hour or so. You can put that. You can add attachments, JPEG, GIF, all types of stuff like that. Press submit. We'll definitely get it. Again, if you need, you like, oh my God, there's nobody available or anything like that. We also, as you see on the corner here, you can always hit our live chat. If somebody's there, myself, Greg, whoever, they'll be logged in here. And if we're available, it'll say, hey, they're available. You can talk to us online and we can walk you through. And we can also kind of see what, on this particular page, we can kind of see where you are as well. Okay. And like I told you, there's different categories of help. And as you see this related to email, how to configure. I got to add the video. So I go in there and show you how to do that, and 6 people have found this helpful. So that's a good thing. I haven't loaded this video yet. I'm about to load the video now. All right. So y'all have a wonderful, wonderful time, and I look forward to seeing you guys' professional look and everything. God bless you, and have a great and wonderful day.